Corporate Secretary. Nonya Jr., Vice President. Dr. Anthony M. Tenazo, President. And our Chairman, Dr. Raimundo P. Arcega Sese. They are followed by Honorable Jose Francisco Kiko Benitez, Secretary of Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. And we also have with us the Honorable Jude A. Asidre, Chairperson of the House Committee on Higher and Technical Education.
Multi-Sectoral Governance Council of the Eastern Visayas Medical Center, member of the Multi-Sectoral Governance Council of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and board member of the Philippine Red Cross Leyte Chapter. He is also a former national president of Junior Chamber International Philippines and a delegate of the SHIP for Southeast Asian Youth Program. He is married to Ms. Katapan, Deputy Center Director of the Siameo Center for Innovation and Technology in Education. Education leaders of the Philippine education, join me in welcoming a dedicated public servant, a steadfast advocate for education and community development, and the leader who believes that true leadership is measured by the lives one transforms. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Chairman of the House Committee on Higher and Technical Education, the Vice Chairperson of the Philippine Education Commission II, the Honorable Jude Aborque Asidre.
This vacant seat in the EDCOM 2.
There are 3 levels via polytechnic colleges and advanced applied research via polytechnic universities. Such ladderization could rationalize technical education across both TESDA and CHED regulatory regimes. The challenge is, of course, that CHED and TESDA use different systems. No? CHED, of course, has our credit hour system,